How to make your Snapchat profile public. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your profile public on Snapchat. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. First thing first, open up your Snapchat. And from here, you just want to head over to your option at the top left corner. Once you open up your profile, all you have to do is create a snap map or a spotlight, which will be visible on your public profile. So from here, scroll down and on your snap map, tap on view all, and you will just want to create a new spotlight. So just tap on your public profile at the top right corner. And from here, you can tap on add snaps. You can add up to 5 snaps, so you can just select any pictures that you want to send. From here, tap on next, and it will be posted on your public profile. So as you can see here, a story is being added to my public profile, and after doing this, your public profile will be created. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one.